Welcome. In this video, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to show the Translate button on the Telegram app for PC. With the latest update, Telegram has made it even easier to instantly translate messages without needing external tools, and by the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the feature set up and ready to use. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're signed in and on the main screen. Once you're there, look at the top left corner of the window, and you'll see 3 small horizontal lines. Go ahead and click on those lines to open the main menu. From this menu, you'll be able to access all of Telegram's key features. And what we're looking for is the Settings option. Click on Settings, and inside, you'll notice several different categories to control how the app looks and works on your PC. Next, scroll until you find the section called Language. Select Language, and this is where all the translation and text display features can be found. Inside this menu, look for the option that says Show Translate button. This option allows you to quickly translate any message you receive in a different language, right from within the conversation, without copying or pasting it elsewhere. Click on the toggle to enable the Show Translate button. Once you do, Telegram will ask you to confirm, so simply click OK. That's it. The feature is now active on your account. From now on, whenever you come across a message in another language, you will see a small translate button appear directly on that message. One click will instantly show you the translation into your preferred language, saving you time and making conversations with people around the world much more seamless. This simple adjustment can be really helpful, especially if you're part of international groups, study communities, or if you just enjoy chatting with friends from different countries. Telegram's built-in translation tool helps keep conversations flowing smoothly without needing any additional apps. Now that you know how to activate the Translate button in just a few steps, go ahead and try it out on your own Telegram app. It's quick, convenient, and designed to make communication even easier. Thanks for watching.